Hello there YouTube, George here. I am very excited. This just arrived in the post. I bought this on the recommendation of Jimmy at O'Reilly's Autos. I watch him a lot. It's a ThinkScan 689BT automotive diagnostic tool, and I am super excited. I've wanted one of these for a long time. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this myself out of my own money and have wanted one of these for a long time. Oh, look at that. Heavy, solid. So there's your OBD2 dongle thing, which is magnetic. There's a stand. So that's the main unit there. Nice size screen. We have an assortment of different adapters, extenders and whatnot. This one has a LAN thing on it as well. Silica gel. It's another adapter, USB to LAN. We have a USB-C lead for charging it. We have a charger and a couple of adapters for different type. That's an American one. Yeah. So it comes with the standard 3-pin one for us here in this part of the world. Oh man, I am so excited. There's another lead in here. See what this is? Just a LAN cable. And we have the instructions, quick start manual and a packing list. Let's turn it on. Hopefully it's charged. So there's the boot screen. So it's fully charged at 92%. So I'll just do the setup. I just ran through the setup there, put in my email address and connected it to the Wi-Fi and all that kind of stuff. So first impressions, it feels very well made. It's got a bit of weight to it. Nice screen, and the user interface is very good. Seems to be pretty nippy. So I guess we'll go out to the Beamer and plug it in and see what it does. Alright, so out in the car. I have my ignition turned on and we're plugged into the OBD port down here, so hangs on the steering wheel nice. So I'll try this. Alright, so I do health report and see what it says. Okay, so a few things up there. A lot of these are historical. ABS. Air conditioning normal. So we'll clear codes. Gonna take a bit of time now playing with this to get used to it. Let's go into the lighting module here just to see what it shows me. Let's see. So we pick what we want. So we'll pick battery voltage, charge air pressure, coolant temperature, engine speed, rail pressure, charge air. Okay. So start the car. Get a graph here. Select all. So there you see, like, it's cool. You press the brake light switch, it tells you it's working. Clutch switch operated, not operated. Coolant temperature 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Change it to metric. That's quite cool. So you can do your battery exchange and all that stuff yourself. Maintenance. Service resets. Purge your ABS pump. Like, I've wanted something like this for so long. you know, I use the cheap, these things, rubbish. And all that kind of stuff. This is the bomb. Now it's going to take me a while to learn how to use it, but I'm quite pleased with it so far. So I'm sure you'll be seeing lots of this in the future, when we're messing around with the car and stuff like that. Yes. Just switched off. A very annoying thing there, because this car has over 400,000 kilometers on it. It's 428,000 on it now. The oil service thing used to come up and you couldn't switch it off in the iDrive, so I've just switched it off now in the cluster. Brilliant. So anyway, I have a lot of learning to do with this thing, so that's kind of the unboxing and a brief demonstration. So we will be back in the future with this, and thanks very much to Jimmy at O'Reilly's for recommending it. This cost me the guts of €500 for this. It's got lifetime updates, blah blah blah, all that kind of stuff, so quite pleased with it. So I'm going to have to play with this now for a while, so we'll get you in the next one. All the best.